masisipag, sa mga hardworking at very talented naming mga chef dyan, ano? Mula po sa Good Morning Kuya, bumabati po kami ng Happy 4th Anniversary Culinary Arts Chef Tab Philippines Organization!
Hello, happy 4th anniversary sa Culinary Arts Chef Tag Philippines Organization headed by President Vicente Libay. Yan, keep up the good work po sa inyong mission and vision and more power po sa inyo. God bless po sa inyo lahat.
In behalf of Maestra Candelaria and Das Marias City Training Center, Maine, we greet you happy 4th year anniversary, Culinary Arts Chef Tab Philippines Organization. God bless! Hey!
Happy 4th year anniversary of the Arts Chef Tab Philippines Organization. Keep up the good work.
Culinary Arts Chef Tag Philippines, happy anniversary, and all your passion, dedication, and hard work is salamat din at naging part of ako ng journey, so from the start. Pero at least I'm still behind na nakasuporta pa rin naman sa ating mga kaibigan na nasa sa loob, hindi man nakakasama or nagkikita-kita, but the friendship is still remain. Yan. Katulad naman sa ordinary na buhay natin, dumarating talaga na people come and go, and sabi nga natin, meron at merong mananatili, merong umaalis. Pero okay lang yan, basta tayo is magpapatuloy pa rin tayo, magtutulungan, and hanggat wala tayong ibang pangit na intention, so ano po yan, mananatili pa rin niyang matatag at hindi yan matitibag. And siguro for your future project, so nandito naman din kami ng aking mga hawak na company na susuporta sa inyong mga advokasya sa magandang intention. And ano pa nga ba? Siyempre, yung mga kaibigan ko na nga nandyan pa sa loob at yung mga iba pa na umalis, siguro yung pagkakaibigan is nandyan naman yan, hindi yan mawawala. At yung hangad ko rin po na magpatuloy pa at mapaganda, mapalawig pa po ang mga ginagawa, or siguro mas taasan pa yung standard ng organization para siguro mas marami pa lang matulungan at marami pa talaga kayong mas maitulong din sa inyong mga members. Actually, hindi naman talaga sa mga members yan kundi as makatulong pa rin kayo sa ibang tao. So, dahil ang pagpasok naman sa organization nyo, hindi naman yung pansarili ang tutulungan, kung hindi matulungan ng organization at matulungan ang mga iba pang tao na mas nangangailangan, dahil lahat naman na nasa loob ay mga professional na. So, it's not about your popularity or your being famous, but it's the advocacy na makatulong sa tao or sa kapwa. Diba? And again, salamat po sa pagiging parte ng organization nyo. Way back, ilang taon na din po. Nandito lang ako behind para magpatuloy na makisama naman. Siyempre, marami pa rin naman akong kaibigan nandyan. And again, thank you so much. Congratulations. At patagalin nyo pa ng 100 years yan. God bless everyone.
Hi, hello po sa lahat. Ako po si Chef Randolph Pineda, COO sa ating Culinary Arts Chef Tag Philippines. Na bumabati po ng happy 4th anniversary po sa inyo. Cheers sa lahat. Keep up the good work. Sama-sama po tayo mga Chef Tag. Salute!
Hi, good morning. This is Chef Benson from Qatar. Your Finance Director. Binabati ko mga kapatid sa Chef Tag Philippines ng Happy 4th Anniversary. Kudus.
Magandang araw, Chef Tag Philippines. Binabati ko kayo ng 4th anniversary nyo. I'm part of Chef Tag Philippines actually. I've been with them a long time ago. I'm a head chef here, executive chef at Finkel Tap and Grill in Woodstock, and at the same time teaching as international chef professor here in Canada. So teaching advanced phase 3 as well. So good luck to the group, and I'm so happy that Chef Vincent, sponsored this to me. Thank you so much. I hope there's more sponsor coming. Anyway, this is Chef Jude, and thank you so much. And mabuhay kayong lahat. And I hope I could also meet you guys sa Pilipinas pag-uwi ko. With like alam nyo naman na mentor ko, pare ko si Chef Boy. So isa sa mga board of trustees sa ng Chef Tag si Chef Boy. So maraming salamat. I'm so proud to be part of the team, to be part of the group too. So hoping makipag-collaborate din ako sa inyo someday. And this is my restaurant.
Happy 40th anniversary, mga Kaligit Culinary Arts Chef Tag Philippines. We already have come so far in 4 years of different seasons of our organization, a non-profit culinary organization that aims to help our fellow Filipinos, fellow cooks, and fellow members, as it is our mission and vision of our organization. We, as well as an individual, have our own season that make us stronger personally and in our culinary career. Being a part of Culinary Arts Chef Tag Philippines, I believe that we should help each other for one success as one family. I would like to take this chance to thank all of you for giving me an opportunity to serve as a former COO and to inspire me to do my very best to accomplish my part in my own season. I am really glad for the continuous achievements of our organization headed by CEO Vicente Libay Jr., COO Chef Randolph Acosta Pineda, our board of trustees and officers, and especially to all our members. You guys are all doing great. You guys are all doing well, and I'm praying for God's strength and guidance for us to do a continuous service for the Filipinos. At mabuhay po tayong lahat. Mabuhay po ang Culinary Arts Chef Tag Philippines. God bless us all. God bless our loved ones. Again, happy anniversary, happy 40th anniversary, Culinary Arts Chef Tag Philippines. It is Chef John Dasalia from Canada. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Saludo po sa inyo.
Hi, I'm Chef Isle. Happy 4th anniversary Chef Tag Philippines organization. Keep up the good work and good luck.
Hi guys, this is Chef MJ. Happy 4th year anniversary, Culinary Arts Chef Tag Philippines Organization. Mabuhay po kayo at again, happy anniversary sa lahat ng mga kabahag natin at sa lahat ng mga kapwa ko mandirigma dyan sa kusina. Ito po si Chef MJ, ang inyong kabahag.
Good morning, Chef Libay. Congratulations for your 4th year anniversary with Chef Tag Philippines. This is Chef Erwin from Rizal Park, Rizal, Manila. And actually, it's same lang pala ng birthday natin ang anniversary nyo. More power, God bless everyone.
Magandang araw. Ako po si Angelo, sushi chef ng Lanay Restaurant located at Barangay 3, Nasugbu, Batangas. Nais ko pong pasalamatan si Chef Libay sa napakagandang chef jacket at binabati ko ang lahat ng bumubuo ng Culinary Arts Chef Tag of the Philippines Organization ng Happy 4th Anniversary. Mabuhay!
Hello, kumusta everyone? I am Chef Angel M. Garcia, team leader ng Parmisanos Bistro Cafe na matatagpuan po dito sa San Agustin, MacArthur's, San Fernando, Pampanga. Gusto ko lang batiin ng happy 4th anniversary ang Chef Tag Philippines. Stay strong sa ating lahat, tatak Chef Tag.
Hello po, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Chef Ron. Kasalukuyang andito po sa Kuwait at na-assign po ako ngayon sa room service ng Arabella Beach Hotel. At may bubuksan po kaming Greek restaurant na pagmamay-ari din po ng hotel. At ngayon po ay andito muna ako sa room service ng hotel. Ako po ay bumabati sa ika-4 na anibersaryo ng Culinary Arts Chef Tag Philippines. Yan. Binabati ko po kayo sa pamumuno po ng ating founder na si Chef Vicente Libay. Happy anniversary po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po.
Yon, good day po mga idol. Ako nga po pala si Chef Chris Pineda o Cosnerong Barat ng MB Frost. Gusto ko lang pong sanang batiin ang bumubuo ng Chef Tag Philippines Organization sa kanilang 4th year anniversary this coming September 24. Sana po marami po kayong ma-inspire at matulungan. God bless po sa ating lahat. Ingat.
Hello mga ka-chef tag, ako nga po pala si Neil, isang sushi chef sa Ura Macaria at Sushi by Templos. Binabati ko nga po pala ng happy 4 years anniversary ang Culinary Arts Chef Tag Philippines Organization. Keep up the good work po sa ating lahat. God bless po.
Happy anniversary, Chef Tag. More power. God bless you all. Congrats, Chef B.
Hi everyone, this is Chef Shah Garcia. I just would like to greet happy 4th year anniversary to Chef Tag Philippines, and thank you founder Chef Vicente Libay for all your support for the group, and as well as my co-admins and members, and congratulations for all the success. Sana po tuloy-tuloy ang success ng group para mas marami po tayong matulungan. Have a great day everyone! Bye!
Okay, good evening. This is Chef Norman of Pride of Heart. Happy 4th anniversary!